Good morning, everyone. My cat is really wanting in. I don't know why. Sorry, Skipper. Anyways, I haven't done a YouTube video in a while. My brain's not working real good because, see, what I'm doing this morning is I'm refinishing this table, and there's not enough ventilation in here. As you can see, it's pretty bad on this side. It figures the phone always rings when I'm trying to do a video. Anyways, I'm using this stuff. I'm going to ignore the call. Restore a finish. And as you can see, this side I haven't got to. But this side is starting to look not perfect, but it will be better. I did this side of the table. I guess I'm going to have to go over it twice. And I need like this pin to use on the scratches. I need to go get more. You see? Guardsman, touch up. Anyways, I'm also watching today's show, and they're talking about the 80s. It's been interesting. And that was somebody I didn't know that was calling anyways. Hi, Skipper. Say hi, YouTube. Anyways, I'm feeling kind of dizzy, so I'm going to eat some oatmeal. But as you can see, this table is really needing some work. It does look a lot better on the other side there, though. See? It's still wet. And I probably have to do it a couple of times. And then, of course, I'm going to have to touch up the chairs. But anyways, somebody recommended using this to refinish my table. So, maybe, well, maybe not. I'll come back to you and show you the finished product. Anyway, for now, we'll just put this short video on YouTube just to put something on YouTube. All right? Have a great day. Bye.